Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create an inactivity channel for your own Discord server, for example, to move inactive server members who have been AFK for a time into that inactivity channel automatically using the inactivity channel feature in your server in Discord. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so what you want to do first is navigate to your server on Discord. Let me go with this gaming server here for demonstration purposes. And what you will need to do next, guys, is create a completely new voice channel. This method doesn't work for text channels, unfortunately, so you will need to create a completely new voice channel by clicking into this button here, create channel, and select voice as your channel type here, and give your channel a name, which in this case here will be activity, for example, because we're going to create that channel only for the inactivity purposes. You may set the channel to private if you like doing that, however, it's optional. So click into create channel here, and there you go, your inactivity channel has been created. Now what you want to do next, guys, is set this channel to the automatic inactivity channel by Discord, so that your channel members, your server members who have been AFK or inactive for a time may be moved automatically to that voice channel from other channels, for example. So this is how you can do it, guys. Head over to your server settings here, click into server settings. After that, navigate to engagement, and here scroll all the way down to inactivity channel, and here click into the drop down menu and select your just created inactivity voice channel, just like that. Here, guys, you may select or set an inactive timeout for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on and so forth. And as previously described, guys, your server members will be automatically moved by Discord to this selected inactivity channel, and they will be muted, for example, if they have been AFK or idle for longer than the selected inactive timeout, which in this case here, let us go with 5 minutes because I'm pretty impatient. So to do that, guys, click into save changes here. That is going to set this channel, your official inactive channel or inactivity channel, on your server, guys. So that's basically it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.